It can mean the difference between a guilty or not guilty verdict in court.
Trisha Bell takes us to Ohio Northern University for a seminar that trains crime scene investigators on the best ways to obtain evidence.
Crime scenes fill the classrooms and hallways of Ohio Northern University's Meyer Hall of Science. But there hasn't been a murder on campus. Instead, this is a class for law enforcement officers to make sure they know how to properly handle crime scenes. So when the real bad guys attack, they get sent to jail.
If you do the wrong procedures or do something wrong, an attorney can pick up on that, and you could lose a case because of doing something the wrong way.
About 25 officers and students are completing the two-day course in DNA evidence collection.
We're seeing prosecutors getting a little bit more flamboyant with their questions, and a lot of misinformation is out there, unfortunately, so we're trying to reestablish, the norm and what the technologies are, what's really available.
Instructor Kelsey Kemp says there's a lot of confusion caused by crime shows about what kind of forensic technology is actually available. The phenomena is even called the CSI effect, and members of the justice system aren't the only ones watching these shows. Criminals hope the episodes will allow them to get away with their own crimes.
We are seeing that criminals are doing things differently. They're using some of the ideas that they learned on CSI in order to cover up DNA, to destroy DNA.
That's why ONU and other universities around the country are offering more courses like this one for law enforcement professionals.
Instead of the on-the-job training, which often leads out to bad practices, this has to be a change in venue of how everything is going to be taught.
Much of the instruction is hands-on, so officers learn the best way to collect, package, and transport DNA, which then can later be used in court. In Ada, Trisha Bell, your News Now.
Thank you, Trisha. Ohio Northern is hosting several other seminars similar to this one during the summer. Last year, the school held a class with experts to explain the correct way to take samples of fingerprints.